Welcome back everyone to Flix-It-Yourself tip 19. This week we're demonstrating a perfect cabinet organizer. I'm pretty sure you'll find it extremely helpful. Installation is very easy. All you need is a drill and follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1, take the track, put it into your desired cabinet. Make sure it's in the middle of the cabinet, the track. Step 2, take the 4 arm brackets, put it under the track, take the 8 pointy screws and drill it into the cabinet surface. Step 3, take the second track, put it on top of the arm brackets, take the 8 screws with the nuts and tighten it up. Step 4, it's all done. Take the 2 baskets, slide it in and start organizing your cabinet. Now take a look how beautiful your cabinet is. Nice and clean and organized. Thank you so much for watching. Look out for next week's FIY. It's going to be even better than this one. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week.